Hello and welcome to episode 1 of your online course. Mr. Bakhri here. Happy learning. Welcome to Unit 6, Body and Clothes. If you want to follow us in your textbook, then open it to pages 50 and 51. First, what is body? Oh yes, and clothes? Very good. Now our unit today is body and clothes. Today's class is communication. In this class we're going to learn two things. First, how to ask people about their possessions using the form have you got, like have you got a pen? And second, how to give commands using simple imperatives like go to bed, go to bed. Some keywords before we start. We have two clothes items and two colors. Do you know what they are? Let's start with number 1. What is that? Oh yes, it's a jacket. Very good. And next? Yes, pants. Very good. And the colors. Number 1. Yes, very good. Black. 2. Nice, white. And finally, very good, blue. Excellent. Now take a look at these pictures. Look at that man in picture number 1. What is he doing? Oh yes, he's taking off his jacket. Take off. And the opposite is nice, put on. Take off a jacket, put on a jacket. And look at this person in the car. What is he doing? Nice, he's turning on the radio. Turn on. And this kid in picture 4, what is he doing? Yes, he's buying some clothes. Buy. I've bought some clothes. Very good. Now let's get started. First, listen and read. Dialogue 1. In Dialogue 1, we have two people, shop assistant and Philip. Now, I want you to listen to me reading the dialogue, then pause the video and read aloud. Okay? Here we go. Can I help you? Yes, please. Have you got jackets? In a specific color? Black. Oh, look at this one. Oh, it's very nice. Have you got white pants? Oh, I'm afraid I haven't, but I've got some blue ones. Dialogue 2. In Dialogue 2, we have three people, Philip, Nora, and Sarah. Now listen. Look, I've bought a black jacket and blue pants. Oh, they're very nice. You're right, you've got lovely clothes in Morocco. Dialogue 3. And in this dialogue there are two people, Philip and his mom. Take off your jacket and trousers, put on your pajamas and go to bed. Okay, Mom. Don't watch TV and don't turn on the radio. Alright, Mom. Good night. Now your turn. Pause the video and listen again to dialogues 1, 2 and 3. Then read them aloud. Okay, off you go. Exercise 1. Do this. Here are 5 sentences about the dialogues. I want you to listen again and say whether these statements are true or false, then correct the false statements. Here is an example. Philip is in a bookshop. Is this true or false? Yes. Very good. It is false. And where is the mistake in this sentence? Nice. A bookshop. Now, can you correct this sentence? Yes. Very nice. Philip is in a clothes shop, not in a bookshop. Excellent. Now, here is your task. Sentence 1. Philip wants a red jacket. 2. The shop assistant hasn't got blue pants. 3. The shop assistant has got white pants. 4. Sarah and Nora like Philip's clothes. And 5. Philip's mother wants him to watch TV. So pause the video and take 6 minutes to do it. You can do it in your notebook. Okay, have you finished? Alright, let's do it together. Number 1. Philip wants a red jacket. Yes. Excellent, it's false. Very good. And what is the mistake in this sentence? Nice, a red jacket. So what does he want? Can you correct this sentence? Yes. Excellent. Philip wants a black jacket, not a red one. Very good. Can you show us where it is in the dialogue? Nice. Have you got jackets? Any specific color? Black, excellent. So he wants a black jacket, not a red one. Now number 2. The shop assistant hasn't got blue pants. Yes. Very nice. It is false too. What is the mistake in the sentence? Very good. Hasn't got. Good. So can you correct it? Yes. Nice. He has got blue pants. Very good. Now can you justify your answer? Where is it in the dialogues? Yes. Very good. And have you got white pants? What is the answer? No, I haven't. But I've got some blue ones. Very good. Blue ones means blue pants. Nice. Now number 3. The shop assistant has got white pants. Yes. Yes, very good. It's false too. And where is the mistake? Nice. Has got white pants. Now can you correct it? Yes? Very good. He hasn't got white pants. Now can you justify that? Nice. And have you got white pants? I'm afraid I haven't. Excellent job. And number 4. Sarah and Nora like Philip's clothes. Is it false too? Yes. Yes, excellent. It's true. Can you justify that? What does Nora say when Philip shows them his clothes? Very good. She says, they're very nice. And Sarah? Yes, she says, you've got lovely clothes in Morocco. Yes, which means they like his clothes. Very nice. And finally, number 5. Philip's mother wants him to watch TV. Yes. Very nice. It's false. Very good. So what does she want him to do? Yes. Excellent. She wants him, yes, to go to bed. Very good. Not to watch TV. Good. Can you justify that? Yes. Don't watch TV. Nice. Very good. Excellent job, guys. Now let's have some practice. In this exchange, Nabil asks Omar about his possessions. Listen. Have you got a cap, Omar? Yes, I have. And have you got a pair of sneakers? No, I haven't. Now, your turn. Pause the video and read the exchange. Again, pause the video and in exercise A, ask Omar about his possessions. And in exercise B, ask Liz about her possessions. Then continue to see the answers. Okay, off you go. Have you finished? Okay, let's see. Have you got a t-shirt, Omar? Yes, I have. And have you got a pair of boots? No, I haven't. Now you can do the same with glasses and jacket. Okay? Now B. Have you got a lawn skirt, please? No, I haven't. And have you got sunglasses? Yes, I have. Now you may ask also about a blouse and jeans. Off you go. Now stop writing, put down your pens and listen to me, okay? Oh, easy. Just kidding. Now look at these men, A and B. Why are they shouting? Don't kick the ball! Run, boy, run! Oh, what are these? Oh, yes, these are commands. Very good. Commands or orders. And here are 4 commands. Can you take 1 minute and match them with the right pictures? Okay, 1 minute. Off you go. Done. Let's do it together. So number 1, don't walk. Which picture is that? Very good. Number 2, now walk. Excellent. Next one, hey, be quiet. Very nice. You can say this in a library. And finally, don't swim there. It's dangerous. Excellent job. Very good, class. Now, can you write the correct commands for each of these pictures? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, pause the video and in your notebook, write the correct command. You've got 2 minutes. All right? Off you go. Have you finished? Okay, let's do it together. Number 1. Hey, wake up! Time for school! Very good. Number 2. Hey, don't write on your desk. And number 3. Hey, don't eat in class. And finally, number 4. Hey, students, sit down, please. Well, that's it for today's class. Thanks for watching, guys. Until next time, take care.